Attach vice grips approximately 1 foot inward from the header on both sides of the horizontal track. Install the lower section of the door starting with the bottom panel. Carefully roll the door section down the track until the rollers contact the vice grips attached. Next, install the center section of the door. When installing the center section, ensure that the panel with the open holes is closest to the previously installed section so they can be joined together. Starting from the center, attach the loose end of the hinges to the available holes of the middle section of the door using a rivet gun. Important: make sure the hinge is flat against the panel surface and that the rivet is properly seated before engaging the rivet to prevent damage. Install the top section of the door. Using the track stops provided in the hardware kit, attach the stops in the end of the horizontal tracks.